Welcome to Forge Hardware, where timeless design meets enduring strength. Here are 5 things you didn't know about Forge Hardware that can transform your work into magical craftwork. We offer construction tools, gardening tools, water pumps, and plumbing tools. Gardening tools crafted for every style and space. And every home needs this. Secondly, we offer reliable constriction tools and multifunctional tools. Water pumps from Forge in which you can feel the quality. Very reliable and easy to use. Thank you for choosing us. Follow us on our website, Forge Hardware, our Facebook page, our Instagram page, and our WhatsApp channel today, and get ready to explore more.